और अब आपको सीधा लिए चलते हैं दिल्ली के करियप्पा ग्राउंड, जहां पर प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी इस वक्त एनसीसी की रैली में शामिल होने पहुंचे हैं।
The Guard of Honor is being presented by 4 contingents of the National Cadet Corps led by Under Officer Shubham Rawat of Delhi Directorate. The Honorable Prime Minister is piloted by Under Officer Anshu Som of Delhi Directorate on his left and Under Officer Pooja Rathor of Rajasthan Directorate on his right. The Army Wing led by Under Officer Himanshu Sahu of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh Directorate.
The Naval Wing contingent is led by Cadet Mohit Nanath of Rajasthan Directorate.
After the Naval Wing, the Air Wing contingent led by Under Officer Anand Singh of Delhi Directorate.
And the Girl Wing contingent of the NCC led by Under Officer Ankita Rani of Delhi Directorate.
The Guard of Honor is accompanied by military band of Army Service Corps North with the bandmaster Naib Subedar Pravendra Singh playing the tune Kadam Kadam Badhaye Jao.
And after inspecting the Guard of Honor, Prime Minister being escorted to the saluting dais, he will review the march past by the various NCC contingents. And along with the cultural performance, the NCC cadets today will have the delightful opportunity to present before the Prime Minister their courage, their contribution to the cause of this great nation. So as the Guard of Honor marches off, in the event today, Prime Minister will also be distributing awards to the meritorious NCC cadets and then address the gathering here at the Kariappa Parade Grounds.
सम्मान गार्ड के पश्चात चारों विंग आर्मी, नेवी, एयरफोर्स तथा गर्ल्स विंग मैदान से बाहर जाते हुए युवा शक्ति राष्ट्र का स्तंभ, गहन ऊर्जा एवं महत्वाकांक्षा से लबालब माननीय प्रधानमंत्री, जो स्वयं एक एनसीसी कैडेट के रूप में देश की सेवा कर चुके हैं, युवा वर्ग के लिए सदैव एक प्रेरणा रहे हैं। वक्त आने दे बता देंगे तुझे ऐ आसमां, हम अभी से क्या बताएं, क्या हमारे दिल में है, क्या हमारे दिल में है।
And there we see, nearing the saluting dais, cavalry, where soldier warriors are mounted on horseback. So we see 5 horsemen marching in front of the dais. And this mounted section of horses is led by Under Officer Dharamveer, proudly bearing the national flag as he is mounted on the horse called Vajra.
Of all the sights of battlefield, there was none more inspiring than that of a cavalry unit in full glory of its charge.
And following Under Officer Dharamveer are 4 horses with their flag bearers. On the extreme right, you see Under Officer Veer Abhimanyu Chipper on Tehzeeb, proudly bearing the army flag as the Prime Minister looks on. And next to the Under Officer is Corporal Anjali, mounted on Tufan and bearing the Indian Navy flag. The Indian Air Force flag was borne there by Under Officer Neeru Tawar on Tushar, and Sergeant Quartermaster Ankit Tawar bearing the NCC flag riding on Messi.
Ladies and gentlemen, closely following are the 17 marching contingents. As you see on your screen, moving towards the saluting dais.
That's the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana Directorate.
chest swelling with pride, heads held high, smartly marching contingent, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana led by Senior Under Officer P. Satish Kumar Reddy, placard bearer Senior Under Officer Adnan Pasha. Smart salute to the Honorable Prime Minister. Following close behind is Bihar and Jharkhand led by Senior Under Officer Shivanandan Kumar and Senior Under Officer Abhishek Kumar.
And that's the Delhi contingent led by Senior Under Officer Rahul and the placard bearer Sergeant Rajiv Nayak. Well, these are the mellifluous tunes coming from the brass band Bombay Engineering Group Center Kirki, led by Naib Subedar G.J. Binu, and the band tune जहां डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा.
लौह पुरुष की रूहानी मिट्टी की खुशबू बिखेरता अगला मार्चिंग कंटिंजेंट गुजरात से कंटिंजेंट कमांडर कैडेट ठाकुर पार्थ, प्लेकार्ड बेरर सीनियर अंडर ऑफिसर जडेजा हर्षद सिंह. गुजरात का दस्ता स्मार्ट सल्यूट माननीय प्रधानमंत्री को गौरवान्वित पल इतिहास के पन्नों में दर्ज होते हुए इसके ठीक पीछे मां भारती का मुकुट कहे जाने वाली पावन धरती से अगला मार्चिंग कंटिंजेंट जम्मू कश्मीर तथा लद्दाख. कमान संभाली है कैडेट अमन सिंह ने, प्लेकार्ड कैडेट मनमीत सिंह.
Well, that's the Karnataka and Goa Directorate, led by Senior Under Officer Somarth Gajanan Ghatke and the bearer of the placard Senior Under Officer Purvi Gowda KM. Perfect synchronization. There are 17 directorates of the National Cadet Corps, and when you look at the NCC flag, you'll actually find 17 petals which are demonstrating them. Here comes the Kerala and Lakshadweep Directorate, ably led by Under Officer Rishikesh B.S. and the placard borne by Junior Under Officer Atul Krishnan.
Colorful military regalia is the military band from Army Medical Corps led by Naib Subedar Rajendra Singh, playing Kadam Kadam Badhaye Ja.
Khushi ke geet gaye ja, and Colonel, what a moment of happiness for the young cadets here.
बिल्कुल अमित जी, अगर आप देखें 23 जनवरी नेताजी का जन्मदिन पूरा राष्ट्र पराक्रम दिवस के रूप में मना रहा है और ये उनकी आजाद हिंद फौज का राष्ट्रगीत था.
Absolutely, the graceful and enchanting patriotic song was the marching song of the Azad Hind Fauj. Here comes Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh Directorate.
इसकी कमान संभाली है सीनियर अंडर ऑफिसर यदुवेंद्र सोलंकी ने, प्लेकार्ड संभाला है जूनियर अंडर ऑफिसर राम प्रताप राजपूत. आंखों में इंद्रधनुषी सपने, हर मैदान फतेह करने का जज्बा.
Prime Minister himself has been an NCC cadet, and so has been the Honorable Defence Minister.
ओडिशा निदेशालय कैडेट आकाश कुमार नायक की कमान में बोर्ड मार्कर कैडेट सुमन गौड़ा चुस्ती फुर्ती से आगे बढ़ते हुए कंधों पे आसमान उठाकर चले हैं हम, सूरज हथेलियों पे उगाकर चले हैं हम. अबल अल्लाह नूर पाया कुदरत दे सब बंदे। पंजाब, हरियाणा, हिमाचल प्रदेश तथा चंडीगढ़ के दस्ते की कमाल। कंपनी सार्जेंट मेजर अंशुल महंत के हाथों में, प्लेकार्ड बेरर सीनियर अंडर ऑफिसर अतुल वर्मा।
Well, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Chandigarh were the champion directorate last year. Who will get the honours today? We'll get to know as we now see the Rajasthan directorate. Ably led by Senior Under Officer Deepak Dhobi and the placard bearer Cadet Manaswini Sodha.
Marching in a splendid formation. Next, we have contingent from Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, और उससे पहले पाइप एंड ड्रम बैंड, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर लाइट इन्फेंट्री का नायब सूबेदार सुखदेव राज कदम कदम बढ़ाए जाके ट्यून बजाते हुए।
And in the midst of this, I hope you all had a glimpse of the air show as well. And much more is going to be on the offer as we will catch the micro light flying. That's the Uttar Pradesh Directorate, led by Senior Under Officer Ajay Singh, and placard held by Senior Under Officer Abhay Yadav. Among the martial tunes, the entire environment inspires patriotism, martial awakening, and valor. Uttarakhand Directorate, led by Senior Under Officer Akhil Unyal and the flag bearer Cadet Mayank Rawat.
इन्हीं तस्वीरों पर एक बार फिर हम लौटेंगे एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद।